Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to mute and unmute notes on Instagram. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to mute or unmute notes on Instagram. In order to do that, let me open my Instagram account, and then here we'll see all the profiles. For example, I would like to jump over this profile, and then I would like to mute or unmute any from this profile. So what you have to do is to click this following section. Just simply click over there, and then we'll see it can appear like this. You can click here mute, and then it's going to appear. From here you can easily choose if you decide to mute notes, you can do, or if you decide to mute notes on post and reels, you can do too, or if you decide to unmute, you can simply do this. So within this simple way you can easily mute or unmute notes on Instagram. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.